Today we will be talking about sandwiches. You might be thinking to yourself, what do sandwiches have to do with writing? There are so many different types of sandwiches. Everyone has a different favorite, but they are all similar. Sandwiches always have some type of bread and yummy, interesting things inside. A sandwich with only bread would be dull, bland, uninteresting, dry, tasteless, plain, and boring. Imagine eating a sandwich without the bread. Picture trying to hold all of the ingredients together and eat them. What a mess! So I'm sure you're wondering, how is this related to writing? When you write a paragraph, it should be like a sandwich. The top sentence and concluding sentence are your bread. You need these parts to hold your paragraph together in a way that the reader can handle it easily and digest the information without a big mess. The fillings in your sandwich are the details and interesting word choices. You need these parts to make your sandwich more interesting for the reader. Without the details and vocabulary, your paragraph would be boring. Together, when you make sure that you have all of the parts of a sandwich, you can make a great paragraph. Here is an example of a paragraph that I wrote. I started with a topic sentence to introduce my paragraph. It says, "My favorite type of sandwich is a chocolate chip peanut butter sandwich." Then I moved on to the meaty or interesting body of my paragraph. It says, "This sandwich is created from delicious, crunchy peanut butter and semi-sweet chocolate chips. When I make it, I always make sure to use a lot of peanut butter so that the stickiness will keep all of the chocolate morsels from tumbling out of the sandwich. While this is an amazing sandwich, I realize that it is not a very healthy option, so I save it as a special treat for my birthday." Finally, I close up my paragraph with my bottom piece of bread, my concluding sentence. It says, "Now that you have heard my mouth-watering description of a chocolate chip peanut butter sandwich, maybe you will want to try one too." When all of these pieces are put together, I have a beautiful 5-sentence paragraph that includes a topic sentence, supporting details with colorful vocabulary, and a concluding sentence. When you write a paragraph, it should always be like a sandwich. So here is the big question that you should be able to answer. How does this sandwich relate to writing?